Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we talked about the Maryland state and we went through the process of how we can file the monthly sales tax return for Maryland state. Today, we are gonna file another state, a monthly sales tax return, and the state is South Dakota. But before we go to the portal and start filing, I would request all of you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tax information. So this is my report. You can see I have the dummy data here. This is my sales amount. This is my tax amount. The tax rate, the state tax rate. This is a state tax rate, right? The state tax rate for the state tax rate for this particular state is 4.20. These are my taxable sales and these are my non-taxable sales. This is a rounding difference. So this amount, the total sales is my taxable sales here. So now if you see here on the portal, this is the portal. You can file through this website. This is a official website of South Dakota ePath. So here you can just click file and pay your return. Then here you will select the period for which you want to file. So let me just select May 2025. So I'll click next here. Now here you have the options. Do you have anything report for this period? So if you have nothing to report for a particular period, you can just click no, and then when you click next you will just get to the option of submit your return. But if you have anything to report, you can click yes here, and then you will input your total sales in your non-taxable and your taxable sales. So my total sales are these, this is, and this is my same sales. All of these sales are my taxable sales. Okay, this is not my use tax, sorry, that's my bad. So these are my gross sales, and here you will input your non-taxable sales. So if you see here, the use tax is the tax on the purchases. So if you have any purchases on which you have paid the tax, you can use that here. So here if you have any non-taxable sales, you will include those here. And now in the fourth, you can see that if you have any taxable amounts for the special jurisdictions, which might include some countries, some cities, you're gonna put those here. So for me, in my report, you can see this is only a state tax rate here is applied. So this invoice has been made in the Dakota dunes and there is no county here. So I will just click next. My total tax is matching here, so I'll click next. Then if you have anything to report on the city or in the counties, you will just need to add here, or you can just add the name of the city and you can just add the amount, whatever the rate is. So if you see here, there's a code, the rate is already given on the portal. You will just write the taxable amount and then click next. And I will again click next. This is something related to other taxes, tourism. I'll click next, and then I'll click next. Once I'm click next, it will ask you to input my payment information, and once I update my payment information, I will just pay the amount and submit the return. So this is how you can file your monthly sales tax return for South Dakota. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any comments, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much.